In this video you will learn how to change video aspect ratio in veed. First, upload your video in veed. Now to change aspect ratio, go to Settings. Here you can change your project settings. To change aspect ratio, click on the size and select your aspect ratio in the menu. Suppose if you want to edit your video for YouTube Shorts, choose YouTube Shorts aspect ratio and click on OK. Your video aspect ratio will be changed. If you want to adjust your video screen, click on the video on the timeline and then go to Canvas Settings. Here you can adjust your video canvas according your aspect ratio. That's it. This is how you can change video aspect ratio in veed. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe us for more. Thanks for watching.